us. We are the project consultants for Northwind Traders, and he's going to make the introduction.
All right. Hello, everybody, and good morning. So today is the final presentation. As you know, so everybody now is ready to do his part. So I'm going to present you my team work. So let's start by Lata Kuma. She's the informative consultant. Abdel Bumnia is the process design consultant. Mark McDonald is the team manager, and I'm the database consultant. So the company's mission and objective, as you know, is the Northwind Traders are committed, to helping you achieving excellence in any project. So, and our vision is to provide you with the expertise you require when the complexities of your demands is in a phase. So the objective of the company, as you know, varies, and by managing client and firm resources in a cost-effective manner, you can avoid the costly time consuming hiring and training process and start to see results on your projects. So just a little bit description of the Access project. As you can see, it provides an effective process, step by step to accomplish each phase by creating a database to manage our clients' customer list, generate a tailor-made report by the end of the project, by creating query to assist the management, evaluation of their business structure, and by the last one, by providing, as I said first, step-by-step in a rating procedure, by writing a report. Now I'm gonna let you.
I just want to, can you go back? I just want to add, this is very important step here, because we make sure to write step-by-step so any user can just follow the instructions and keep the work going.
So and now Lata will talk about more about our project.
Thank you, Islam, for the
Thank you so
introduction
much.
and the background.
You're welcome.
And now me and Abdel will take it from here.
Yeah.
So the first slide we did.
I don't know that one.
Okay, it came back. So the first slide we did was updating database display tables and projects. Basically, Northwind Traders is a very small company. We're for the innovators for this, and we are trying to take it off. So this project was more about these 8 products: the beverages, the condiments, the candy, that's the confections, dairy products, grains and cereals, meat and poultry, produce and seafood. So we made this into category name and the description and picture as our first project.
This function is to help with systematic way to keep data accurate and display it in a proper way to help the management review their revenue and reports.
So the second sample is for seafood sales. The left one is the report that was before the filtering we did, and then the right-hand side is the report after we filtered. It was by last name and category.
And this is the report that usually the management will get, and it's set up in a proper way and very understandable, so they can just look at it and see the revenue. Next.
So the third sample, this is a very brief introductory letter. It's giving a step-by-step instruction on how to fix the problems we originally encountered in the database, and it is a guide by filtering by category and sequence.
Again, whenever we make any adjustment, we have to document the process, what we have done, in order to keep up with the database. And also, if we leave the company, so whoever comes after us can just see what we have done in the past, and they can take it from there and make their job easier.
And this one is the employee sales data. This was the first major filtering we did with over 70 records. So the 70 records of chai and chang sales by employee, we started off with it, and our task was to identify which customers purchased chai as tea and chang is Chinese beer in 2007. So we filtered this information down to 16 records, which specified the order quantities and the countries that's in there. And then we're going to continue on to the next page of the query, which will display the results. But for now, Abdel is going to elaborate.
Well, as everybody knows, the companies are very curious to know what their employees are doing, and they are very, very tough on making profit. So we have to make sure we have accurate data, and we capture all what the employees are doing and provide it to the management team.
So this is the elaboration of the previous one, and this was the final result. So on the left-hand side, we filtered down the beverages and confections to 16 records of May 2007. And on the right-hand side, this was the final step. We filtered it by the ship country in May 2007.
We have done such a great job here because we manipulate the data as the management want and per their request. So we have done so many reports and so many queries to assist the management make decision and make strategy to accomplish their goals.
So this one, we prepared a report showing the profitability of the products in our inventory. Then we averaged the profit margin by category. The formula we used for the profit was to divide it by the price. So this slide, obviously helps you determine the revenue and profit of the orders.
Next slide. This is a chart of the beverage that they have, the company have done. So the chart is like a picture of what the company accomplished in terms of profit, and the chart is telling the story of overtime process, how the employee are doing in terms of selling products.
This chart is used to review each salesperson's performance in the annual review meeting, so it's very helpful to do it in the chart format. And this next one is the summary and profit data by country. So what we did was we took the profit data by item for each salesperson and country of shipment, and then we helped analyze the information to reward sales performances and help figure out where our customers are using the products we sell. So it is very important to us.
As a IT team, we have a lot of skills to manipulate the data the way we want it or the way the management want it. We come up with ideas and we provide it to the management. We come up with reports. We display different charts to try to give the full picture for the sales and for the associate performance to the management. We have done such a great job, and as you said, there are so many charts just to give the story of overtime process.
So this is the revenue of our categories, and all these are categories, the beverages and all of our other 8 products. So this form helps us track sales performance and profitability by product line. We calculate the profit by subtracting total costs from revenue, and this is a great way to display it. So the next one is the label format of orders on packing form. So as per requirements, there were 3 of them we had to subcategorize. So the one is shipping address, then the packing list, which is how many of each item and how they've been boxed and shipped. And the third one is the shipper information, the company date, the company name, date of shipment, and name of shipping company.
Our target not only to give the full picture to the management team of what the associate or the people are doing, but also to target the time that is taking the process. If the process is taking like 30 minutes, we try to reduce the time. So we have come up with easy ways. We create forms, so once the associate enter the data, the data gets captured, they can print labels, and we can manipulate reports, and we can provide reports by each associate.
So this one is the 25% increase inquiry. We created an update query to increase prices by 25%. It was a little tricky, but then Abdel figured it out.